Hi, my name is David Hoffman, and I'm here to give a little review and overview of the Fiskars Rain Barrel rain harvesting system. I've got the 57-gallon capacity here. Picked it up at Home Depot for 98 bucks plus tax. So why a rain barrel? Well, there's two basic reasons. One, it'll collect rainwater, which is free. The water that comes out of the hose costs per gallon to source it, and you also get charged a per gallon sewer fee as well. So if we collect rainwater, it's more economical. Secondly, the rainwater does not have chlorine or any other sort of chemical treatments in it like your tap water does, and those treatments are not as good for the plants in the gardens and things like that. The other really important reason that I wanted a rain barrel for was to have an emergency source of water. You know, I'm one of those freaks, well, maybe I shouldn't say freaks, but I'm one of those people that thinks that if the power grid goes down and we don't have water, well, what are we going to do? So this is a system that can help alleviate that and help me sleep better at night. So I bought this puppy at Lowe's. It goes in pretty quickly, pretty easily. You basically tap into your gutter system with this handy dandy little adapter kit that's enclosed. And then you just feed the line into the side here. I chose to elevate the rain barrel with 4 1-inch patio bricks. They're pretty big. They're like a couple bucks each at Lowe's or Home Depot. Now the one thing I did opt for is this is the faucet that comes with the rain barrel. It's kind of a cheap piece of plastic that I think in the long term would break. So I took this to Home Depot and asked the guy what I can do to replace this, and he pointed me towards this 3/4 inch female no kink hose bib and this Watts brand A-665 tapped hose adapter. So I got those two pieces, and I also got a 98-cent roll of plumber's tape, and I replaced their cheap little plastic faucet with this nice guy here, all metal, much nicer handle and everything. Okay, so then I got everything installed. I filled it with water just so that it would cover the outlet there for the faucet, just to test it. Now I don't have a lot of water in here, so there's not going to be a ton of pressure coming out. But there we are with some water running out. Again, I elevated it so I could have some room to put a watering can or whatever I want under there more easily. So all told, it took me maybe a half hour to put this in. So the next step is to wait for it to rain and see how well it collects rainwater and see how that affects the water pressure coming out of it.